Hi, today I want to show off this new sort of feel. I've restructured a couple of things. We now have the sample game, uh, and it's specific. There's supposed to be some code for the sample game, but it's yeah. Anyways, if we have now set up the some stuff for a consumer app to show off to show off the consumable two dog library, as well as obviously you need the engine thing and then its dependencies to map the blah 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 this and that, to show off that Godot now properly works and that you can link it as a library, which was our main sort of issue. We have Prowl needs to Locus or Prowl still needs to be worked on, um, and we'll get that done as our sort of editing solution later on. But I just want to show off the cool little thing that we've got. I still need to work on the physics a bit, but once this runs and this fails to create the XR instance like it should, because I don't have a headset connected, um, I shouldn't be running it through the terminal, but here it is. Um, we just to say that I think a bit we have like head movement. Sprint doesn't necessarily work yet. Um, but we now have more smoother movement, and I can come over here and spawn all the boxes, as many as I need. And they'll still work fine, and I can grab a box and sort of, I guess, move it around. Um, the problem that kind of comes up with it is getting the oh there we go. Is getting uh the box to properly and comfortably stay where it should be on the thing itself. So like where you can see it kind of uh jump up, which that one uh there's apparently like a flat wall here. Like I can now like there's physics for this. There isn't so much obviously we still have the issue of the jumping, but the one thing that's also a bit of an issue is the VR player doesn't naturally have the uh the physics for it, but we're slowly but surely getting there because I can now full screen this, and then we have UI, which seems to break at certain angles. Interesting. But yeah, we have the boxes and the buttons and stuff. They need to be multi-threaded on their separate thing. But yeah, you can clearly see that this is working at a really good thing. There's just a couple bit more optimizations that we need to do, such as putting the rest of the stuff on other threads and then have certain things not obviously break. But this sort of feeling of the but it works. It works really well, and we're gonna we're gonna get it done soon, and we're gonna get a bunch more stuff. I just thought I might make a quick update as to what we've been working on. It also runs on Quest natively at a good performance. Although it looks shit, like obvious. We're probably not gonna aim for Quest builds anytime soon. But feel free to download the project, build it for your Quest, and then fuck around and find out, because we're not stopping you. Maybe here or there we'll actually produce some Quest builds, but um obviously if they're too broken to use, then we're not gonna have them. But uh as a matter of fact, I should head off. I gotta go do some things and figure out how to get this shit to work. I gotta remake the VR player because it sucks like ass, and a bit more. Yeah, take care.